Cat 26 here, just tips of Pearson and Hobbies, and we've got this Lowell Cornell brushes, a 25 pack. They're pretty reasonably priced. But let's look in these brushes. We're looking for a certain round brush, not particularly a square brush. That one, no, no, no. That one has possibilities. No, no, no. No, this one. Okay, we found two out of the pack. Let's see on this side. There's some brushes. Nothing there. So let's put that to the side. And this is a, you can read it, number 6 brush. And this is a number 4 brush. Okay, so depending on how big you want to make your blunt brush for stippling letters, all you want to do is take a pair of scissors, small pair of scissors, go in here, and you want to cut about half off. Okay, you can cut it blunt. Okay, like that. So you get a tip like that. See? All right. Doesn't have to be perfect, but that's a good tip. Okay, you can also do it with a razor. I don't particularly have one available here. Don't worry, I got plenty of brushes. We'll do this one too. We're gonna cut it even more. We made that one, see? That's all you do to make the brush to stipple letters onto signs and stuff like that. You tap it in the paint and then tap it on some paper and then stipple your letters. So that's what I want to show you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. Please rate, subscribe, and give it a thumbs up. That's your tip for today for painting. Bye for now.